President appoints former interlocutor of Indo-Naga peace talks R.N. Ravi as new governor of Nagaland. Government teachers seize work and storm Education S office in Lamphel, condemning July 11 ROP 2019 issued by the State Finance Department. Minister Karam Sham worries over possible famine in Manipur due to climate change brought on by reckless felling of trees. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee stages protest demonstration against police detention of AICC General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi. Delhi's longest-serving three-time Chief Minister and a senior Congress leader, Sheila Dikshit, passes away at the age of 81. And women street vendors of Queramban Market condemn Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane for ignoring their plights. Vendors demand permanent vending space at the earliest. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Former interlocutor of Indo-Naga peace talks between the Indian government and the NSA and IM, R.N. Ravi has been appointed as the new governor of Nagaland. As per a press communique released by the Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi today, President Ramnath Kovind has appointed new governors for 6 states, including R.N. Ravi for Nagaland state. New Governor of Nagaland, R.N. Ravi, joined the Indian Police Service in 1976. He has also served as the chairman of Joint Intelligence Committee and Deputy National Security Advisor of Internal Affairs. The newly appointed governors are Jagdeep Dhankar for West Bengal, Ramesh Bais for Tripura, and Phagu Chauhan for Bihar. Former Governor of Madhya Pradesh, Anandiben Patel, has been transferred as Governor of Uttar Pradesh, while Bihar former Governor Lalji Tandon has been transferred as Governor of Madhya Pradesh. Agitating teachers seized work and stormed the office of Director of Education S in Lamphel today against a revision of pay ROP 2019 issued by the State Finance Department on July 11. Members of various teacher associations stormed the office this morning around 11. A team of Lamphel police confronted the agitators and later allowed few teacher representatives to meet with the director. However, the director was absent and so the representatives met with additional director Valley. Speaking on the sidelines, General Secretary of All Manipur Government Higher Secondary Lecturer Welfare Association, M. Jadumani, condemned the recent order, stating that it has greatly affected teachers, even though it might be beneficial for other government departments. He maintained that as per the order, teachers will be getting 5th pay scale when the 7th pay is implemented. Jadumani further criticized that the revised pay scale has equalized pay scale of many graduate teachers with that of primary teachers. He blamed that failure of the Director of Education S to send proposal on time for revised pay scale led to the crisis.
भारत की चली नियम नागालैंड नत्रगा थंगनबा असम नत्रगा मिजोराम पीरिबा पीसे मोदी नियम चुमना पीरबनी अदु अखोइदि मसे याम लाना पीराबा याम लाना पीरकोइद मु सेंदोक पीरकद्रागा मंगा सुब पेगी तरुक सुब तरी सुब लापा मंगा सुब पेगी मधु हंकलगा मधुगा काबा काबा सेमगा हेता अमुसु सोइदरगा थोकचलकनी ऑर्डर से मसिन ओजासिंग वारौदना थवाई नुंगाइतदना करी काननी अखोइ तौरुबगी हाइदना सातगीदमक लेजबा लेबाक्सिगी बेकबोनी जो हाइबिबा कानरोइना खै इहोसी ngaraंग हौरपनी.
In the meantime, students of Kakching Higher Secondary School, led by its students' union, staged a protest demonstration today against the mass casual leave taken by government teachers in condemnation of ROP 2019 issued on July 11. The student protesters urged the state government not to deny their education rights and to solve the ongoing matter at the earliest. They also urged the authorities concerned to repair the computer, chemistry and biology laboratories of the school, which were wrecked by the drastic storm of April 15 this year. Revenue, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham has expressed apprehension over possible famine in Manipur due to climate change brought on by reckless felling of trees. Yaripok SDC, Bikru Naha Youth Club and Nongpok Nungho Ima Panthoibi Harauba Committee, in collaboration with the Yaripok Police Station, organized a tree plantation drive at SDC campus in Yaripok today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Sham lamented that reckless human behavior has harmed the environment, leading to climate change, which in turn has brought on various calamities, including artificial scarcity of food. He urged the people to plant more trees to restore the environment to combat climate change and its negative impact. Tree saplings would be planted in various schools, government offices and streets of Yaripok as a part of the drive. Minister Karam Sham and local MLA K. Megha Chandra also took part in tree plantation drive organized by Yari Club along with Development Club at Yaripok Kekru today.
Effective low uragasu ayang winter season nang pakanda di paujing ga mata satpa ngamoy doini aduna matangi sahidadi jing lupa ni pu yang kai pi beseng je lupa sama pige da phangak ta bagi tanja laiba masi nature na adu ishor na ai khoi da pi ri ba pokjen amakhak ne adu imbalance oi ba pot ama khoi da lairi ba se khoi na khangdam ne Madugi imbalance or report si kanana control dog the high target oozing a dog the Aduna Kanaumba the Tabak Shuning Dava Saragata Ganupiangang Wolaga Laibudi see the holy Uzamani and a Kane we come in Nabagi Tangai for the lady of a matamnea.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee carried out a protest demonstration today demanding immediate release of General Secretary of All India Congress Committee AICC, Priyanka Gandhi, who was recently arrested by Uttar Pradesh police. Speaking to media, CLP leader Okrami Bobby condemned the BJP-led state and central governments for subjugating democracy to carry out dictatorship rule. He stated that 10 people, including 3 women, were killed in clashes over land dispute at Sonbhadra district of Uttar Pradesh on July 17. The former chief minister strongly condemned that police arrested Priyanka Gandhi, who went to visit the victim families of the tragic incident. He further criticized the BJP government for amending the Right to Information Act and suspending of various independent institutions. The CLP leader also mentioned that it is high time to amend the anti-defection law to prevent political defections and to disqualify politicians who change parties before completion of 5 years of public mandate for the lure of office.
Kari maram gino ma detail torgo hojo phajal thamisi kari gino ba asi ana thoiba victim family do unabada kari akai ba lege ba machine takpadi dictator do maswai da hore sine ba adu dictator tawge khanmadi hoi chahi mari manga gi di karino kaino upai paisa ni khangde sakti pangan ni khangde tawba yai madu sukam ngamoy mai pa oi namthaba sukam ngamoy haiba sine koina thamjaning ba ani subada bharat ki samvidhan je 10 schedule se amuk makhata na semdo oga once disqualified tawba aduga lifetime gi oina amuhna mihut oiba contest tawba yadaba haiba se masi matam chap jare thengdadring da masi amen tawba darka oi.
3-time Delhi Chief Minister and senior Congress leader Sheila Dikshit passed away on Saturday in New Delhi. She was 81. Sheila Dikshit had been ill for a long time. Dikshit was reportedly admitted to the Escorts Hospital in the national capital a few days ago. She suffered cardiac arrest and breathed her last around 3:55 p.m. today. Sheila Dikshit was the senior-most Congress leader in its Delhi unit. She served as Delhi's chief minister for 15 years. She was also very close to UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi. In a tweet, the Congress said it regrets the death of Sheila Dikshit. The party said, as chief minister, she transformed the face of Delhi in her 15-year tenure. Street vendors of Koramban market urged the government to allot them a permanent place to sell their products. Meanwhile, Roadside Vendors Welfare Association Manipur also demanded immediate implementation of Street Vendors Act 2014 in the state, alleging of mistreatment and hurling of abusive words by some authorities. The disheartened women street vendors expressed disappointment that their appeal is being sidelined by Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin.
Noongmagi chara tariba noongmagi hingdaba yadaba isa isu semiba aikoi lairaba nupi samaj aikoi budi ngasigi saraka asina khongwang nabi madu tawbi ganu haidana aikoi namakoi da hanjan haikiba lairabado ngasi bokta ngasigi saraka asina tabi ba haibase sunglai maklai gide police ki uniform cheliba isa inau mayam singchina aikoi gi footpath ta phambiba mama singsida nattaba wahi kayam haijan biba tabada yamna waraba wahi wata mayam sijan nabi base aikoi mama ma woina nupi ama woina aikoi khangbada yamna wajai
सरकार मफम पीडी बौदी मफम सिदे दुम आयेना फमीबा अपुनबगी ओना आये फमीबा जगह से फमहन्नी अदुगो लैंगा की हाइरगदी पेंदी अमबो पेनद्रे केदो लेबे यारोय अदगी मार्सेन अमुक लेबे यारोय न हुजि यांगन तौनरिबनेबा अदु नुपा थंबे यारोय दि हाइबिरे अदुगा पेंदी इस्तियार मखों सिदे दुकान ओइना फमबसे सिदि मखोय नुपा थंदबरा सिनि.
Meanwhile, Roadside Vendors Welfare Association Manipur organized a one-day convention to discuss on plights facing Koramban market women street vendors at GM Hall today and took 5 resolutions. They are immediate implementation of Street Vendors Act 2014 in the state, formation of Town Vending Committee TVC for the welfare of street vendors, to renovate temporary market located near Old District Hospital Complex to allocate free space above the Koramban markets to the street vendors, and lastly to allow the street vendors to stay at their respective spots until the above demands are fulfilled. President of the association, Ketri Tama, welcomed cleanliness drives in the markets following suspension of Imphal Municipal Corporation for 6 months. Condemning the alleged ill treatments towards street vendors, which is against Street Vendors Act 2014, Tama warned the authorities concerned of intense agitations if their demands are not met at the earliest. Representatives of 13 market vendors organizations attended the meet.
When among the gay, young peaceful oiba, even a relay forward, a silent oin, a quick toga, a action them take with Torga Laki Davani, Adoba Hantak Tiaque, X, Chehimanga, Pura, complete oil, a parliament, the pastor gibase. I don't know 5 years complete oina, a quick egg, a simapung parakal, and a sipa over Manipur Langak, Torta Basina, a quick Sigi, Waref Sina, a quick Karahan, a Kanba, a quick Yunan Mam Singasina, a quick no Mugi Haitare, Punkaraga Kaituga. Ekoi left na ekoi agitation dai tare sit and protest bu oiro natraga ekoi akoi ba sidai da ha ki union na koli ba jaga sing sida ekoi lengak ta khangan bu oina koi silent protest bu oiro madu sanction na ba ekoi bare suksoi soi da ngasi ki convention na logjaga.
Minister of Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development, Thaunawjam Shyamkumar, has urged the relevant ministry to resume sanction of 10% lump sum scheme under the central government to renovate urban areas in northeast states. He was drawing the attention of Additional Secretary of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Shiv Das Meena, at the opening ceremony of a regional workshop on online building permission system in northeastern states at City Convention in Palace Compound today. Minister Shyamkumar maintained that a small state like Manipur with minimal resources is facing major plights in renovating its urban areas following cease of sanction of the 10% lump sum scheme. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Secretary Shiv Das Meena asserted that online building permission system will ease the plights associated with undergoing of various procedures for construction of buildings and other physical structures. He mentioned that 1,705 urban local bodies out of the total 4,300 across the country have started implementing the online building permission system. He assured that the online system will be implemented in major urban local bodies of northeast states by September this year. Minister Shyamkumar also launched an awareness street play on Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban on the occasion.
The project under 10% lump sum scheme for the benefit of the northern state used to be sanctioned by the union government. However, in the past few years, sanction of the new projects under 10% lump sum scheme has been discontinued. Manipur, being a small state without a resource of its own, the withdrawal of the scheme has hit the urban development project. With almost no alternative source of the funding, many urban sector projects remain unfulfilled. Additional Secretary, may I request you, so please propose the government of India to continue 10% lump sum scheme for the northeastern state especially. Because without that scheme, that at northeastern state, we cannot develop in our urban area.
Forest Minister Thanojam Shyamkumar, who is also the MLA of Andhra constituency, has assured of providing water for irrigation to drought-affected paddy fields in Andhra constituency within 10 days. Speaking to media at New Secretariat today, Minister Shyamkumar disclosed that arrangements are all set under MLA Local Area Development Fund to provide water to the farmers. Stressing on the significance of protecting environment to combat climate change and its negative impact like scanty rainfall, the minister also urged all the people of Andhra constituency to leave aside political differences and take part in the plantation drive, which starts tomorrow at every polling stations of the constituency.
Environment mahoksaagi khalda singnarubagi achauba wa makoina mayongnari maji khudingmak koknaba rajnitigi khenaba thamdana amadi dharma jati khenaba thamdana hayeng Andhra kendragi polling station khudingmakta koi u chara yongchak chara madi makhal khuding u chara thamgani u ji thadragadi akoi mathang sei su mayognagani akoi miyoibana amata ngaiba leibi aba malem prithvi asi si sabsana koi thengani khanbo khan galona masi phune makoi matam chana nongchono matam chana nongsi sinaba matam chana ainga sa khansinga a thamgade makta ursa sing thaibiyo aduga lami praja singda MLA fandagi ariba paisa kai thadaraga Andhra kendragi jaga khodi makta ising nimit humni ngasi da humni mong singba hawani ten mong ising loina ba phangal lagani koi any pump tawraga pipeline tawraga karino minsam tawraga ising ji koi phangal lagani adana.
Drought has hit many paddy fields of Kundrakpam constituency. The farmers are hands-on air due to lack of water to irrigate around 2,000 acres of paddy fields in the constituency where paddy saplings have been already planted. They express disappointment that government has left them out from distribution of water pumps. Drought-affected paddy fields under Kundrakpam Zilla Parishad are Lanjai Pat, Lokha, Lamyai, Lamphel Tankham, Ngakapat and Sumang Lokol, etc. Media persons inspected the paddy fields today. Taking part in the inspection, executive member of Northeast India Development Party, T.H. Mohendro, lamented that existence of Dolai Thabi Barrage, project is namesake as it has failed to irrigate paddy fields in the constituency. He appeals to the relevant authorities to take necessary measures to ease the farmers' plights.
Nong chudabna maram oiradana ikang thokdana akhoi lomi praja jingse hahakar launare adugi sumathakta bongbu turen ju nong chudab maram oidana ising amata leite dola thabi project en khangnari ba sisu totally fail oire akhoi somda masigi asal udre kendra sida leiriba lomi praja khudimak se akhoi lau panba yadaba asina maram oiraga yamna nungnangba phibamda akhoi hojik mayok nadana leiri
ngasagi ikang thoiba jaga asi sagulai bu oiro natraga karigumba masida chanagadaba pot akhoi sarkar dagi mateng pamjai huji longmi akoi ha kaduna yamna awaba phibamda mafam asida akoi thengnari ising chingbagi akoi sida khudong chaba kari mafau leite akoi adogi mati awaba were ising chingai leitaba kong turen kari leirima mayam se ising sasal na chingba lopari lising ani gi mathakta huji leiribji ikang se adog mati awaba were ikang thengnare maram aduna sarkana mieng changbiu.
Farmers blocked Taubul Road in protest against non-repair of the damaged canals due to widening of Mayang Imphal Road from Bishnupur to Taubul today. Farmers are facing water crisis due to the damaged canals. Protesters expressed disappointment that water flowing from Tongjau Rock remains wasted due to the clogged drains. They also complained that they are unable to draw water from Imphal main canal due to lack of water pumps. All Hairog United Clubs organization in a press release urged government experts to initiate alternate cultivation project on 2 large paddy fields of Hairog which are no longer suitable for paddy cultivation due to lack of irrigation facility. A new case has been filed against a former Deputy Commissioner of Technopole District, retired IAS Abujam Tombikanta, who is already behind bars at Sajua Jail in connection with misappropriation of funds under road extension project of Imphal Moray Road. Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police Station has charged a new case for misappropriation of around 1.55 crore rupees provided for land compensation in connection with construction of a scheduled tribe girls' hostels in Technopole district. After his former arrest, Abujam Tombikanta was produced before District and Session Judge Imphal West Court at Cherab Court Complex around 2:30 p.m. today. The court ordered to keep him in the custody of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police Station for 6 days for further investigation. Unknown miscreants have planted an RC IED weighing around 7 kg under a culvert on Tidim Road in the area joining Moirang and Tronglaubi under Moirang Police Station. 42 Assam Rifles Army Station at Sendra Post discovered the bomb around 6:30 this morning. SDPO Moirang Police KSH Shivakanta IPS, OC RK Anil Kumar, Commanding Officer of 42 Assam Rifles S. Buyan and massive police personnel rushed to the spot and inspected the situation. Police blocked Moirang Lamkai till Tidim Road to avoid any untoward incident. Later, Manipur Police Bomb Disposal Team recovered the bomb cautiously around 12:50 p.m. The IED is kept at Moirang Police Station. No one has claimed responsibility for planting the bomb so far. As a part of security measures taken in the state, Imphal West District Commando team conducted cordon and search operations at Dharmashala, Gurudwara and Delhi Motors areas today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operations Imphal West Police, Aribam Ganesham, carried out the search drive from 3:20 p.m. till 4:10 p.m. Altogether, 120 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 10 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Manipur Human Rights Commission has reportedly notified the state government to construct Manipur University of Culture at Wakha in Imphal East only after reaching an understanding with the villagers. Speaking to media in this regard at Manipur Press Club today, President of Wakha Youth Club, Mayang Langbam Vishma, stated that members of Wakha Youth Club and Wakha Women Development Association have been urging the government not to encroach upon the sacred sites of the village to construct the university, but it fails to pay heed. Consequently, Manipur Human Rights Commission was approached by the villagers and the commission issued the order on July 15. Vishma added that the villagers of Wakha have no issue with the construction of the university. However, they are against encroachment of the village forest, which has deep historical significance for the villagers. He urged those concerned local clubs not to tarnish the image of Wakha village. Vishma also condemned the silence maintained by the local MLA and Indrajit regarding the matter.
Human Rights Commission villages singa yanaraga hoi mafam do tato tasin toraga Manipur University of Culture just habiu haina tholei be se mangne basi se phangboda hoi yamthina harau job phokje panjaningi bafumde tasena ma hojik Human Rights Commission pire ba rayasi Manipur government madu chaptani ingadabni rayasi masin Manipur government thosada taraga de masi Manipur government si leibe country no buyai maramadu khoi hojik wa youth club tagi hoi thamjaningi ba wafamde hoina Human Rights Commission de tholei ba rayasi Manipur government nga na chapire haraga mane khoi waka kunjasing amate waka villages singa waka youth club ka phaminaraga khoi Manipur University of Culture si mafam chana siga samaga seri seba loksan ba seri seba khaidok pai bado khoi tatok sen tawraga athu batamda khoi university sa ba hobo so khoi pame Human Rights Commission villages singa yanaraga khoi
Surface Transport Hills Area Drivers Welfare Union Manipur has demanded befitted punishment to those who try to tarnish the image of Transporters and Drivers Council TDC. The union warned of intense agitation, including blockade on the 2 national highways if those 15 individuals involved in the TDC forgery case are not booked at the earliest. Speaking to media at an undisclosed area in Imphal today, General Secretary of Surface Transport Hills Area Drivers Welfare Union Manipur, Thodri Krashi strongly condemned the fake registration in trade unions by the miscreants in the name of TDC, which is an apex body of drivers' unions. He lauded the police for arresting the two miscreant brothers who forged letterheads and seal of TDC. Union President A. Bukelo Isena, Vice President A. Hekha, and union members were present in the press meet.
Handak Transporter and Drivers Council TDC Sarega register tauramba miani phare adagi makhataba atopa sinso Manipur government na athubada phagat kedomuni asumaina rangna register tauba haibse akhoi surface transport hill area drivers welfare union asiso condemn tawi kariumada akhoi Manipur government na athubada makhataba mi atopodo phagat taradi akhoi driver union naso national highway 2 amason 37 asise ban taurani.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the protest demonstration staged by GSC against the mysterious deaths of a Class 7 girl student of Standard Robert High School in Kanchipur. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. GSC against the mysterious death of a Class 7 girl student of Standard Robert High School in Kanchipur staged a protest demonstration today, demanding to resolve the mystery behind her death. It may be recalled that the student was found hanging from the frame of a double bunk bed in the school hostel room on July 18. Local residents and Merapaibis took part in the sit-in held opposite of Thangwaiban Thau ground today. Taking part in the protest, Secretary of Ima Kuntokhanbi Merapabi P.H. Bina expressed foul play in the student's death. She warned of intense stir by the public if the authorities concerned fail to solve the mysterious death at the earliest.
Adu mapam marang khangdana angangsi hato piraga thambirame aduna maram moirakanda aikoi gi langlalang si aikoi ji hangdadana leire matomda sijabani hai matomda sijabagi kudamdi amta su phangdi mayamna hatpagi mina puthoga hatpi bagi kudamdi am chauna phangi hai tare school siki Standard Robert si da leiriba koi gi principals ne koi gi warrels ne ani si pick up tawbiu makoi ani dagi jobal lawbiu aseng malikun phangnana bagi damakta.
Residents of Khordag Nongmei Khong has warned to boycott passage of Kumbi MLA and Thangai MLA on the 9.30 kilometer stretch of Khordag Nongmei Khong to Kumbi Road if it is not repaired by July 30. It may be mentioned that the road connecting Kakching and Bishnupur districts is a lifeline for the people of Khordag Nongmei Khong. Secretary of Social Transport and Development Association Ningthaujam Budichandra declared the same during a press meet held at Hyangtel Larimbi Community Hall in Nongmei Khong yesterday. He also condemned that state leaders have failed to work for the welfare of the people in their tussle over leadership post. The press meet was jointly organized by Social and Transport Development Association Khordag Nongmei Khong, Wapok P Athletic Rural Development Club, Iramdam Lamjing Lamta Club, School Van Association, and the Khordag Women Development Organization.
Aigi pick lebi sai su sing asi yamdra badang asi nong da harib lambi asida satra chani muki jangje van service da winger service da cycle da khong na chatlaga harib schooling tawriba aduda ningam da bamdi praja aikon haidri bak sembi da base sumadi aikoi ki thamoi yam benje dev sumna ka kilometer mapan makhai ka sang lambi asi semba da adong na paisa su sang da bi tai phana koi MLA local area da phandi sema su question te hajin adu ngba ya da BP stroke tor kuna chingba puba kana da hospital yaw bungam da laikan na bungam gi da su yaukre aduna sugumba praja sing da mayok na awa sing si yeng biraga ngasi di akoi ki lambi si atumatam sembi ha besma praja sing gi wakan.
Taking part in the meet, President of Wak Pokpi Athletic Rural Development Club, Soibam Tomba, warned of intense agitations if the two respective MLAs of the constituencies fails to address the grievances facing the people.
Kendra anigi lambi oriba kumbi Khordag lambi ase chatliba tha July tha asibo ki madung sidida nimbi taba targadi thangnaba mikup habi thangnaba August ki tang amdagi di hariba kumbi kendra amasung thanga kendra anigi honorable MLA anibu lambi asida social boycott togani loinana machida singi awaba se yengdabida aji kem tangodana leriba sing asi thaduk pirakanda sing sengna ki miyam gi wariba nungai triba lambi asi athu matamda miyeng changbi haina thamjage.
One-day financial literacy awareness camp on how to enhance economic condition of women was held at INA Hall in Moirang today. Moirang Kendra Progressive Front and People Development Society, in collaboration with Manipur Rural Bank, organized the camp under the aegis of National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD). Financial assistance of 10,000 rupees each under NABARD were handed over to representatives of 31 self-help groups of Moirang constituency on the occasion. Speaking at the event, founder of Moirang Kendra Progressive Front, T.A. Shanti, claimed that many central schemes have failed to reach genuine beneficiaries. He appeals to the relevant authorities, including banks and other private organizations involved in availing such schemes, to work with sincerity. MKPF General Secretary Uttam Kumar Marembam, NABARD officials and members of Manipur Rural Bank Moirang branch attended the event.
In the progressive abadi PDS na bank na Moirang ke andagi any urban area da rural area da kala kasigi sedang je pangye ba khangda ba so many ladies center da pila ko scheme ke ama ai khoi na madu khangal khide ba koi na te center ki scheme che para punok da phanglo hai bne ba Narendra Modi ki Prime Minister ki wakhalon di center ki matam ki puthore bi scheme jingdi praja khudi mukta masi ki scheme jingji kana bi yohlo hai bne ba akhoi ki wakhalon na praja khudi mukta yohlo hoda bne ba.
All Manipur Student Union Kumbi along with Wangu branch held one-day comprehensive guidance and career development program on the theme Productive Youth in Future at GMC Hall in Kumbi Bazaar today. Around 1,000 students from various schools of Kumbi took part in the program. Resource person of the event, social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, stressed the need for students to acknowledge and preserve the culture and traditions of the state besides mere learning of books. He also urged the teachers to uphold and maintain professional ethics and treat students fairly and equally. A symposium on the life and works of Manipuri writer and playwright Mayengbam Ananda Mohan was held at NG College in Lamphel today. Retired Associate Professor of NG College, Seram Indrajit, spoke on life and works of Mayengbam Ananda Mohan at the symposium organized jointly by Sahitya Academy and NG College. Speaking to Impact News, Seram Indrajit stated that Mayengbam Ananda Mohan's memoir titled Shillong 1949, which talks about Manipur before and after its merger with the Indian Dominion, is one of his greatest contributions. He asserted that it would be right to consider writer Mayengbam Ananda Mohan as the father of Manipuri library movement.
1958 तगी मासी मणिपुर सरकार की डिस्ट्रिक्ट लाइब्रेरी हांगबदुदा लाइब्रेरियन ओइना मासी सरकार ने अपॉइंट तवी मदु लाइब्रेरी तवसिदनी मागी ख्वाइदगी माना चानजब हाइनजबसे मणिपुर लाइब्रेरी की इहोसी माना हौदोमनी हाइबे याय डॉक्टर हाइबा कनोसिना मागी ओरिजिनल माना इबनी ड्रामा से अदुगो मसिदा अखोगी मतमदुगी समाज की अखोगी करे हाइनी मम्मी सि फजन ताई हाइबे याय राज हाइबा रवि टेगोर की ओरिजिनल ड्रामा से महागना निंगथौ ओइना हंदोगा आर्यन थिएटर दा यामना बबुंग फाना थानखी हाय.
National People's Party NPP and Kongham Area Youth Development Union KAYDU, in collaboration with State Health Department, held one-day free medical camp and JE vaccination campaign at Lungjang PHSC under Saikul subdivision in Kangpokpi district today. Speaking at the event, working president of NPP Manipur State Unit CH Ajang Kongsai stated that hill villages under the subdivision are facing various inconveniences like lack of proper medical, education, electricity and water facilities. Maintaining that health is the greatest wealth, he lauded the relevant department for organizing such events. Villagers were checked up and doctors administered JE vaccination for free during the camp.
Hujik no awang no puklam damda Japanese encephalitis. Pasina chipa mi si laikan na bangamdi na gipainari ba laina yam na thuna santurai masjidi karamai na koi ngak phuk kadagi hai gi pandam sideda one day free medical camp si pangkut sadani July di tang ani da Honorable Minister Health and Family Welfare to El Zaintasi Honorable Minister na assurance ng PBRMI Hungjang Primary Health Sub-Center na koliba 47 villages asi at huwag matanda cabinet na puto aga health center o na inauguration taon na ba kan na hona jagani haiduna assurance PBRMI maduga thanga na ngasigi one day free medical camp si amuk sindirak pasi I really thank on behalf of the Home area people Huzik no awang no puklam
Yuva Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit has launched Janata Dal United nationwide campaign which promotes milk consumption instead of alcohol at party office in New Chekon today. Party State Youth Coordinator M.A. Wahid asserted that the campaign aims to build a healthy society. He appeals to people of the state and especially the youths to stay away from intoxicants. M.A. Wahid claimed that alcohol menace is curbed 95% in Bihar under the initiative of JDU National President Nitish Kumar.
Manipur gi praja myam punamakta aina request tawjari akhoi yu thakpagi phattaba asigumba singase akhoina mamangai dagi hauna akhoina khangduna lai adu akhoi thingba ngamde masidi akhoi anuba bharat ama semnamagi damakta nisa asi puthataba yade tangai phade haibagi khongjang asi sangsin jabag loina na akhoi gi Janata Dal United na sigumbu khongthang asi lokhat charak pagal loina na miyam na thamjari ba wafamde akhoi yu thakpa toklasi yu gi mahutta akhoi sangom oina thaknaba honarasi.
District Health Society National Vector-Borne Diseases Control Program NVBDCP Kakching held one-day awareness program to prevent mosquito-borne diseases at Kakching Chumnang Lekai Community Hall today. Malaria Technical Supervisor of NVBDCP Kakching District, Kangojam Okendrajit, spoke as resource person in the event. Later, ASHA workers deep-treated the mosquito nets of the villages with mosquitoes repellents. All Manipur Physiotherapists Association AMPA along with Shiza Hospitals held a one-day continuing medical education CME on hip and knee replacement at the hospital today. Dr. Iboyaima Purichabam, Dr. Meli, Dr. Oinam Nabachandra were resource persons in the event. Chairman of Shiza Hospitals, Dr. K.H. Palin, various doctors and physiotherapists attended the event. Chairman cum Managing Director of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Dr. Naringbam Samarjit, has been conferred upon the prestigious Bharat Gaurav Award. Sanskriti Yuva Sanstha organized the 7th Bharat Gaurav Award distribution event at the House of Commons, British Parliament, London, UK today. The award was conferred upon Dr. Naringbam Samarjit, acknowledging his tremendous initiatives in various fields. Dr. Naringbam Samarjit's wife, Naringbam Tilotama, and his 2 children received the award on his behalf. Central Agricultural University Imphal has been ranked 21st in Outlook iCare India University Rankings 2019 amongst the 49 central universities located in India. CAU in a press release also asserted that the ranking is another milestone in the success of the university, which has concluded its Silver Jubilee celebration recently. Bank of Baroda Imphal branch distributed 3 ECG machines to Reams Hospital, cupboards and dustbins to Old Age Home in Mongshangai, yoga mats, carpets and dustbins to BB Paul Mental Development Home and 10 water purifiers along with various items to Manipur University on the occasion of its 112th Foundation Day observance today. A free medical health camp was also conducted at the bank's new branch, FCS Godown branch in Sangai Pro on the occasion.
112 Foundation Day celebration ki harau boina koi ki customer singa koi relationship establish tauba amazung koi ki business relationship leiba sing da koi na mateng oina khara pangjabani moina sa koi mateng yamna pibi ada koi ki celebration sigi koi ki honor oina koi na moida mateng khara pisabani.
As celebrated throughout the country, 182 Battalion BSF Kwarengay also held Kargil Vijay Divas celebration today. The event was held under the aegis of Sector Headquarters BSF Counter-Insurgency Operation Manipur at BSF Kwarengay campus. BSF Kwarengay Sector Commandant Operation SH Ashok Kumar Dagar flagged off 5-kilometer marathon on the occasion. The battalion will hold various programs like paying homage to martyrs, motivational lectures, weapon display, documentary screening on Kargil war, etc. during the 3-day celebrations starting today. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. President appoints former interlocutor of Indo-Naga peace talks Arin Ravi as new governor of Nagaland. Government teachers seized work and stormed Education S office in Lamphel today, condemning July 11 ROP 2019 issued by State Finance Department. Minister Karam Sham worries over possible famine in Manipur due to climate change brought on by reckless felling of trees. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee stages protest demonstration against police detention of AICC General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi. Delhi's longest-serving 3-time Chief Minister and a senior Congress leader, Sheila Dikshit, passes away at the age of 81. And women street vendors of Paramban Market condemn Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren for ignoring their plights. Vendors demand permanent vending space at the earliest.